Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the Orange Couch. On the 27th of February, 2023. It is a Monday and I went to work in person. I only go to med houses, psychiatric wards, jail cells, court, what else? Insurance, divorce, amputation centers. I never was invited to interpret at a wedding or a baptism. It's usually a lot of stress. Okay. And early in the morning at 5 o'clock, I continued on my cake. She's getting there. Alma is free, so still some progress. Okay. I will include another video because I'm not allowed to publish videos of my work. So have a wonderful day and we'll see you tomorrow. At 5:20 on Monday, here is my cake. Getting somewhere. On my menu, banana omelette to go with my painting. To be precise, this used to be a banana pancake, right? But I cannot be that fussy. So now it looks like an omelette.